Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be sharing my recipe with you on how to make chicken thighs in a creamy tomato sauce. I know that it's getting really expensive to feed your family because the price of food is up. Now I found some chicken thighs that were on sale, so I'm going to be showing you this recipe and we can make it in about 30 minutes. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now this meal is going to cost us about $12 to make, and it's going to feed anywhere from 4 to 6 people. So that's averaging out about $2 a plate, so that's really great. We're going to need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, about 4 to 6 chicken thighs, bone in and skin on. We're also going to need 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, 2 cloves of garlic minced, a 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 4 ounces of fresh spinach. We're going to also need a 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil and a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. First, we're just going to season both sides of our chicken with salt and pepper. Now we're going to head over to the stove and get this cooking. We're going to start by heating up our olive oil over a medium heat. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to place in our chicken thighs, skin side down. We're going to cook these for about 4 minutes. We have taken on some nice color onto the skin of our chicken thighs. We're going to flip these over and we're going to go another, I want to say 6 to 8 minutes, or until the internal temperature hits 175. Our chicken thighs are done. We're going to set these aside and we're going to start working on the sauce. Now for our sauce, we're going to want to turn down our heat to about a medium low. We're going to go in with our garlic and we're going to saute this up for about a minute. Next, we're going in with our spinach. We're going to cook this for about a minute or until it starts to wilt. Next goes in our tomato sauce. Make sure we get all of it. Give that a stir. We're going to heat this up for just a second. Then goes in our heavy cream. We're going to bring this back up to temp. In goes our basil. Give that a little whisk. And then our Parmesan cheese, and this is going to thicken it up. Alright, our sauce is coming together. Let's give it a little taste to adjust the seasoning. Needs a pinch of salt and pepper, so I'm going to do that. Now we're going to add our chicken back into our pan and our sauce. We're going to cover this and we're just going to let it cook for about a minute or two. The chicken's already fully cooked. We're just bringing it back up to temp. Now there's several ways that you can plate this. You can just serve it right out of the pan, family style. I'm going to plate it up. We're going to have it with a beautiful garlic and herb white rice. Going to take our chicken thigh. Get it? Just go right here on the side. I'm not going to serve it with any vegetable because it has spinach in the sauce. Take a little bit of our extra sauce from the pan. Just dump it down over like that. And that will be good on the rice as well. Going to garnish it with a little bit of extra freshly shaved Parmesan cheese. Alright, awesome. Let's get a taste. Alright, let's dig in. Find a way to cut into this. There we go. Perfect. Some of that meat. There we go. That's so good. The meat is still tender. It's juicy. The skin has a nice crisp from it. Let's get a bit of that rice. The sauce is great on the rice as well. Sorry. It's rich, it's flavorful, it's a simple meal, and it really doesn't cost that much to make. If you're interested in that rice recipe, drop a comment below and let me know that you're interested in the rice, and maybe I'll do a video on that. Don't forget, we also have another channel called Tagged Out. It's about hunting and fishing. If you'd like to check that out, I'll have a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.